Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chandan-Techo. So in today's video, we are going to dive in a very advanced, most popular tech that is Git. This three word is not just a word. Whether you are a beginner, you are starting out, or like someone's looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is basically for you guys. So let's see the definition of Git. So, what exactly is Git? Git is an open source version control system. Think of it as a time machine for your code. It tracks changes in your files, help you collaborate with others, and allow you to manage project effectively. With Git, you can move back and forth between different versions of your code like a magic. It's widely used in software development, web designing, and even content creation. So now you might be wondering why companies are using Git. This let me explain you some benefits of it. So the first benefit is version controlling. Like Git track every changes, so you never gonna lose any work. Like you are some people's committing something, some people committing some things. They are all on the Git, and you will never lose any work. If your system burn out, it's not an issue. If you have committed the changes to the server, like it's up to date, then it's fine. Second thing is collaborations. Like in a company, there are lots of people work together in order to complete a project. So there it is collaborations. So you are working with a solo or a team, doesn't matter. Gets make collaboration is smooth by combining everyone's changes in one place. Backup. Third up. Third benefit. Like whatever you commit on the Git, it always be there, unless you don't delete the Git repository. So it's and like it's also like before going to delete a Git repository, that it means like we have it asks like several confirmation. Are you sure want to delete it? Also, if your admin did not give you permission, you're never gonna delete it. The fourth benefit is flexibility. Experiment freely with branches. You are starting on projects, create a branch, work on that, and then test it properly and then merge it. Fix error there, you can fix error there, merge updates, all without stress. You don't need to take any stress. So without Git, managing changes can be messy. I know. You can't manage an Excel sheet or somewhere, it's not gonna be there. With Git, it's a breeze. How actually the Git work? So first I initialize a repo. What is repo? It's a repository. Use git init to start to track your projects. It's a command: git init, git add, git commit, git push. These are the commands we will use it later. So before that we have to initialize a repo, stage changes, commit the changes, push it to the remotes, and then your team member will check it pull. So in that way the Git works. Before going each steps of Git, we will know like what is the real example and where is Git is basically using. So now let's see the Git in action. First thing is software development. Teams use Git to collaborate on app and any programs. Documentations, even you are adding some content in the documents, there you can use Git in order to track who is like who is collaborating and their changes in the documents. Experimentation, like if you have full functional applications running, if you want to add new features, so take a branch, work on that, test it, fix error, update it. Unless it gets stable, then merge it. Open source contributions. Here GitHub and GitHub Lab made a contribution to the open source project easier than ever. If you want to contribute to your favorite open source project, Git is your gateway. Here the quick tips for beginners, like when he start working on Git. So before he getting start with the small projects. Not a small project, means a small practice. Create a personal projects, do some commit message, add some team, your friend, and uh, commit try to take pool of their changes, try to commit your changes. And always don't forget, if you are working uh, more than uh, more than one people, so always, before committing any change, don't forget to get pool regularly to avoid conflicts. If it's conflict, then you have to resolve it. So it's not. And the most importantly, don't afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn, man. Thanks for sticking around, vlogs. If you have found this video helpful, give it a thumb, subscribe to my channel Chandan-Techo for more tech content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Let me know in your comments what's your favorite Git command or tips. See you in the next video. Bye bye.